Good afternoon, everyone. We're at the bolt job. Another beautiful patio. We put this together with the customer, and they had some great ideas, and they liked ours, and we cultivated one big, beautiful area. Ain't that right, Mr. Bolt?
Hey!
What do you think? 5-star?
Rock on.
Rock
Like
on?
it. Love it.
Love it. 5-star review?
5-star.
You dang right. That's how we do them all. We're so blessed. So we got some lovely lights under the edge. You see our low volt lights. We love to put them under there for safety. Our signature 6x9 border on both sides, not just one side. Most paver companies run a random. They don't do the continuous 6x9 border. It takes a little bit more ordering, a little bit more skill. They got to cut every single paver. A lot of people get lazy. They just don't want to do it. We got the larger 40-inch fire pit. The customer wanted to add some beautiful columns, some 26 by 26 columns. And we got a nice seating bench. And there again, 3 more lights up under it. Got a nice little plant bed. I'm sure they're going to have some nice herbs growing here shortly. And then a little back view from the house. Got us a French drain up under the pavers. That's to keep the pavers from getting the roof streaks. And, of course, water on the pavers all the time from the roof is not good. And we put a nice sidewalk going to the side entry. So anyhow, give y'all a good overview. Y'all have a blessed day. Mr. Bolt, you take care. Thank you for the business, sir.